Hello, I have heard that Lost Highway, Twin Peaks, and Eraserhead will be released theatrically. This is great news to me, and I hope you all enjoy these films. Meanwhile, I am wishing you all the very best.